Today, we are going to check out the top 5 best drones under $300 available on the market. We made this list quality price, user experience, testing, and based on customer reviews. If you want to see more information on the updated price on the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 1. Holystone HS720 Foldable GPS Drone. Holystone recently launched an HS720 GPS drone which features an impressive flight time up to 26 minutes. Combined with that, this foldable camera drone also sports a maximum remote control distance up to 1 mile and a wide number of intelligent flight modes. The Holystone HS720 GPS deserves to be listed in our best drones under $300 for beginners. Wondering why? Here are our reasons. In one look, the Holystone HS720 drone bears some resemblance to the DJI Mavic 2 series. However, Holystone has done a great job in designing this drone, making it entirely their own. The HS720 features a power button at the front. When the drone is activated, it lights up and displays the battery status so that you know how much flight time you have left. Aerial photographers, recreational remote pilots, and beginners, all who are looking for a perfect drone to begin with. There are no options other than the Holystone HS720 GPS drone with a 2K HD camera mounted on a 2-axis gimbal stabilizer. This juggernaut bird packs the punch by delivering smooth and professional-level footage at 30 frames per second that beautifully captures all the details with a high level of color quality. Additionally, you can command the Holystone HS720 GPS drone to perform intelligent flight modes. From wide options to choose from, you can tell this bird to perform orbit mode, follow me mode, waypoint mode, and even tap fly mode. The majority of these features focus on making the Holystone HS720 GPS drone easy as possible that a beginner who has never flown a drone before will be able to fly this quadcopter. Number 2. Ruko Falavin Pro Drones. The Ruko brand is popular for manufacturing durable drones. When you pick any drone from this brand, you are benefited with long-lasting use and great stability. The Ruko Falavin Pro Drone is an excellent choice when it comes to reaching long distances and great heights. This drone is capable to transmit video signals up to 300–500 meters. Moreover, it supports image transmission up to 500 meters distance. Through powerful GPS positioning, the Falavin Pro can fly steadily to capture clear quality images. In its configuration, the 4K Ultra HD camera lets you experience stunning 4K Ultra HD picture quality as well as 2.9K video for exceptional clarity. The output images represent deep contrast and bright colors. You will experience the amazing beauty in ultra-high definition. With the help of a 120 FOV lens, you get a wide view of the moment. The key specialty of this Ruko drone is its flight time. It comes with a maximum flight time of 16 minutes. This is made possible by its built-in 2500 mAh battery. This battery delivers up to 30 minutes of flight time. An extra battery is included in the pack. It prolongs your flight time to 60 minutes. With the help of a stable and efficient GPS signal, this drone effectively monitors any place. The included functions make this drone a beginner-friendly device. These functions are FPV, auto-return, headless tap fly mode, and one key takeoff/landing. By the simple press, even any kid can control this drone. Number 3. D20 Mini Drone. If you are looking for beginner-level mini drone for fun photography or for your kids, then the D20 is the right product to invest in. This drone is equipped 720 HP camera which is capable of taking aerial videos and photos. Because of the FPV transmission, you can check out the live feed through smartphone app. It features a low power alarm and emergency stop features which ensure a safe flight. It is equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries which give out 20 minutes of runtime. It comes with voice control options so you can just provide commands like landing or take off to the drone. With gesture selfie feature, you can just show your palm at the camera, and it will take the photo automatically. This drone is also equipped with Waypoints fly, which means you can set a flight course on your phone and it will fly according to it. This drone also has altitude height, which can maintain the drone at particular height. This can easily maintain the control and record high-quality footage. It just needs 80 minutes of duration to complete the charging. Number 4. Contigso F24 Pro Drones. Contigso is one of the famous brands when it comes to the reliability and efficiency of drones. In all its products, it offers top-notch specifications. Discussing the Contigso F24 Pro Foldable Drone, it offers premium quality specifications for the price. The key component of this drone is its 4K Ultra HD camera. It is actually a 9-tidig vertical adjustable camera equipped with a 120-tidig FOV lens. This camera allows you to capture stunning pictures in 4K Ultra HD quality. Also, it lets you record 2.7K video for exceptional clarity, vivid colors, and deep contrast. What makes this GPS drone unique in the market is it comes with a maximum flight time of 30 minutes. The built-in 2500 mAh battery offers up to 30 minutes of flying time. The LED lights present on the battery depict the remaining power. On the side, a micro USB charging port is available. With the help of a steady and powerful GPS signal, this drone can support the transmission of image and live video up to 1,700 feet. The powerful GPS positioning makes sure the F24 Pro can fly steadily to catch clear quality images. The built-in brushless motors guarantee a smooth and efficient flight. Since this drone is easily foldable, it facilitates compact storage without any need for uninstalling propellers after the use. When this drone is used in 3D view mode, you get a wonderful visual fidelity and great 3D experience. Number 5. Sandrock U52 Drone. Sandrock is a prominent brand that specializes in developing drones and quadcopters with advanced features for adults, kids, beginners, and professionals. Sandrock's U52 drone comes with all the standard features for a safe and exciting flying experience. The drone can perform 360-degree flips and follow a preset flying route. It has a gravity sensor to fly the drone by moving your smartphone up and down. Plus, the drone has auto-hovering mode and headless mode. The one-key start/landing button and the one-key return allows for easy operation of the drone. It has 2 speed modes to suit the requirements of beginners and experienced pilots. The drone has a range of 100 meters. When it crosses that, the transmitter will sound an alarm to alert you. The drone is equipped with a built-in 1080 HD camera to deliver the most realistic footage. Using the FPV real-time transmission, you can enjoy real-time first-person view on the Smart app. The camera can be adjusted up to 90 degrees to take photos from desired angles. The photos and video clips are automatically saved to the microSD card. The drone is made of high-quality ABS material that can withstand drops and shocks. The propeller guards on the sides ensure your safety when flying in close quarters. The drone lasts for up to 10 to 13 minutes on a single charge.